Hey, you. It's me, Cynthia, and I'm a yarnaholic. Today, I am going to try to give myself the hiccups again. I haven't been getting them at all lately, which is strange. Because I've been drinking a lot of soda with my dinners. Well, okay, I'm having a lot of trouble with birds lately. Yes, birds. BIRDS. Um, all the birds in my neighborhood seem to be having babies lately, and every time I go outside, there's a bird trying to fight me. And when I'm inside, I have birds constantly staring in the window at me, like threatening me not to go outside. So there's that. Very cold. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Nope. I haven't had any breakfast this morning. I just finished a, a video job interview, which I'm pretty sure I did not ace. I am very awkward at job interviews. I've watched all the videos on how to ace a job interview, and when it comes down to it, I can't do it. They just say, like, tell me about yourself, and I'm just like, I'm thinking of scary movies and yarn and books, and can't say any of that. Nothing. Wow, that's so weird. Why? Why? All right, I have my summer sipping cup. There we go. Still can't read it. I'm still not good at this. I have 1 teaspoon of sugar in here. And this time I'm gonna do some strawberry Perrier. I'm very thirsty. Job interviews make me very thirsty, and let me tell you, it came time to switch off the camera, and I didn't know what to do, so I closed my laptop. And I could still hear them, even though my laptop was closed. So I ran over, I drank some water, and then I opened up my laptop, and there was the last guy. So I figured out how to turn it off, and I turned it off. Yep. I don't think they're gonna hire me, but maybe I'll go to cooking school or back to massage. I don't know. But to go back to massage, since I've been out of it for so long, I would have to go back to actual school. And that is 14 grand, and it's 9 months. I was going to just study and just get my credits going, but you need a school to sponsor you for your license or to take the test or something, so I have to go back to school. So I don't know why I want to do that. I got rid of most of the sugar in here, but I'm also getting rid of a lot of the carbonation. I don't know what weird accent I just tried to do. Oh, my house is falling apart. All right, let's go. Whew. I bet if this was soda, it kind of is with the sugar. Nothing. Ugh. I'm trying to get a job and I'm trying to hiccup. So maybe I can figure out how to hiccup and have hiccuping be my job. Yay. All right, well, wish me luck. I don't think they're gonna call me back, but it's okay. Well, I hope you guys are all doing well out there. I hope you're all getting the jobs that you so desire. Just do your best. Just do your best. I did my best, and it's probably not going to be good enough. Oh, gosh, my interviews are so cringy. So cringy. I can't help it, though. I get nervous. All right, well, I'm gonna go feel sorry for myself outside where it's 110 degrees at 10:52 in the morning. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.